In this video, we'll talk about the problem with nested if-else. Okay, so just suppose we are having one if bracket like this. Here one if is starting. Now inside this if we are having another if, again another if inside this if, again another if, and again another if. Like this, our page will go out. That means our code will get out of page. Okay, so this is the basic problem with nested if else. So to explain it properly, I'll take an example of a question with you all. Okay, so if we talk about this question, here we talk the problem where we find the grade according to the given percentage. So suppose if we are having percentage greater than equal to 90, then we'll show the grade as A. If we are having the percentage that is greater than equals 70 and less than 90, okay, if it is less than 90, then the grade will be B. If it is greater than equal 50 and less than 70, then it will be C, and if it is less than 50, then the student is fail. Okay, so this is the problem we are gonna solve. Okay, so we'll take the percentage in float and the grade in character. Okay, so I'll open Sublime Text Editor. So here I will make new file. Okay, so just suppose I name this class as percentage grade, okay, according to our question, and save it dot java percentage per grade dot java. Okay, now here we have the main function, that is public static void main and string args. Okay, now we have the percentage variable and I am taking it in as a float data type. So I'll use float, that is the float data type. Percentage per is equals to, I am taking a demo percentage, that is 75.5, and to indicate that this is float, I need to write over here f. So I'll write here f and a semicolon. I can also use here capital F like this. Okay, both will work good. Now we have the grade variable, that is of character data type grade, to store the result. So just suppose if, according to the question here, you can see that if the percentage is greater than equals 90, so I'll mention in if condition that if PER is greater than equal 90, then the result in grade is equals to A. As I'm taking the char data type, so I need to store it in single quotes. Now the else part is when the percentage is less than 90, then again we have a nested if inside it. Okay, so the nested if says that if the percentage is greater than equal 70, okay, and here you can see less than 90, which is already, according to this statement, it is already less than 90, then we need to store in grade B. Okay, now the third case, you can see from here that if the percentage is greater than equals 50 and less than 70, so we'll go in this, the else part, and we'll check for another nested if inside it, that if the percentage is greater than equal 50 and less than 70, here as it is the else condition of this if, of this if, that means the percentage is less than 70 automatically. So the grade is equals to C. And else the grade is F, means the student is fail. Okay, done. Now we'll print the result, that is system.out.println and the grade. So I'll put here the grade is, and concatenate the result stored in grade. Done. I'll save this and we'll run the program. So we'll run it. I'll put here Java C and the file name was, just a second, it is, you can see here, per grade, grade dot java, and for running I'll use java per grade. Done. Okay, so you can see the grade is B, as I gave the input percentage as 75.5, and according to our question 75.5 lies in B grade. If I gave here 95.5 and save this and again compile and then run it again, then you can see here the grade is A. Okay, so that's it for this class. In next class we'll study about the else if statement, which solves this problem of nested if. As you can see here, suppose if I would be having more percentages, that is greater than equals 40, then 30, then this would be going like this beyond out of the page actually. Okay, so this is the problem with nested if else. So we don't use this. We have its solution, that is the else if statement. Okay, thank you.